To indicate the means or method, by car, by bus, by email. I usually travel by car to work. She sent me the details by email. We prefer to commute by bus to reduce costs. To indicate a point of time, by noon, by tomorrow, by the end of the week. Please submit the report by noon. We need to finish the task by tomorrow. The project should be completed by the end of the week. To indicate proximity or movement, by the window, by the door, by the sea. She sat by the window during the flight. There's a beautiful flower shop by the door. They stayed at a cottage by the sea for the weekend. To indicate the agent in passive voice, written by, made by, designed by. This book was written by a famous author. The chair was made by skilled craftsmen. The website was designed by a top agency. To indicate a standard or measurement, by weight, by size, by price. The goods are sold by weight. They rent apartments by size. The shoes are priced by price categories. To indicate a cause or reason, by accident, by mistake, by chance. He broke the vase by accident. She spilled the coffee by mistake. The meeting was rescheduled by chance. Common collocations with by. By the way, by all means, by the time, oh, the way, I found your book. You can by all means take a break now. We had already left by the time he arrived.